The European Film Festival, it's the second edition. It's a diplomatic initiative, a public diplomacy initiative, which was launched last year. Public diplomacy, it means it's diplomacy for the public. So it's to allow the Fijian people to get to know the European Union better through art and culture. This is the second edition this year. And for this second edition, we have innovated in three ways. First, the European Film Festival will not only take place here in Suva, Damodar Cinema, but also we partner with Damodar Cinema in Lautoka. So audience in the West will also have a chance to discover these European movies. We have 8 of them representing 11 different countries. The second innovation is that for Saturday and Sunday, the movies will be followed by debates, because we want people not only to enjoy the movie, but also think about the messages these movies pass. And tomorrow it will be about people with disability. And on Sunday it's going to be about LGBTQ issues. So we want to trigger a debate also on these issues. And finally, because there is still a war raging in Europe, in Ukraine, in the selection we have included a movie from Ukraine. So I just encourage people to come to Damodar City Cinema in Suva or in Lautoka to enjoy the second edition of the European Film Festival. It's totally free, so come and grab your seats. It's an event that we intend to recreate every year and possibly expand. Like last year, it was only in Suva. This year, it's in Fiji, in Suva and Lautoka. In the years to come, we hope that we will be able to show these European films also in other countries in the Pacific, because as you know, the delegation of the European Union for the Pacific is accredited to 13 Pacific Island countries, not only Fiji, but 12 others. Well, we have a very wide range of movies. As I said, it's 8 movies representing 11 countries. Some are European, from the European Union, some are from other countries like Ukraine, some are even joint movies from other countries in the world. So it's really to allow the Fijian people and later on the Pacific people to discover the diversity of the European cinema. But also we want to pass messages on issues which need to be debated, like people with disability or LGBTQ issues. But really we have movies for everyone. We have comedies, we have drama, we have movies for children, movies for families. So just check the program and come and enjoy the movies.